Today I'm installing a Corsa windscreen from Zero Gravity and some cheap Amazon stealth mirrors. Altogether this costs around 150 bucks. The windscreen and mirrors are held on by 4 Allen key screws. They provide rubber isolators to help everything fit, and you just reuse the original screws. And even though the mirrors don't cost very much, they feel very well built and they're not just going to fall apart on you. You can't see anything out of the mirrors, so don't get them if you want to see behind you. This windscreen blocks the wind so much better than the stock one. Instead of hitting you right in the chest, it'll like hit you in the helmet, and if you tuck in, you just don't feel the wind at all.